Hello dear viewers, today I have published a new video related to voice sense. I have already published another video discussing about voice sense. What is voice sense? What is the classification of voice sense? Definition of voice sense I have already published before. Voice sense, two kinds, active voice and passive voice. There are some rules in order to change the voice active into passive and passive into active. I have already discussed before. Number 81, the Prime Minister is going to break the lockdown. Is going to. Note it. Is going to. There is going to or going to verb. If there is going to verb, what will be? Going to verb. If you want to change into passive voice this sentence, it will be going to be plus past participle of main verb. Going to be past participle of main verb. You should pen down and remember going to verb. Going to plus past participle of main verb, past participle of main verb in case of passive voice. The Prime Minister is going to break the lockdown. The lockdown is going to be broken by the Prime Minister. Again, the lockdown is going to be broken by the Prime Minister. Okay, next number 82. Let not the beggar be neglected. Active voice. Let not, do not. Do not neglect the beggar. Okay, do not neglect the beggar. Let not. Imperative sentence. So, let not, do not. Do not neglect the beggar. Next number 83. By whom should you not be ill-treated? Interrogative pronoun. Whom? Interrogative sentence. So, there is note of interrogation. So, interrogative sentence. How can we change it into active voice? Who should not ill-treat you? By whom? By will be omitted and whom will be who. Who should not ill-treat you? What will be? Who should not ill-treat you? Next number 84. Let not your computer be disconnected with internet. Let not, do not. Do not disconnect your computer with internet, or don't disconnect your computer with internet. With internet, prepositional phrase, it will not be subject. Don't. Let not your computer be disconnected with internet. Let not your computer be disconnected with internet. What will be? Do not disconnect your computer with internet. Active voice. 85. Don't look down upon the poor. Passive. Active voice and it is imperative sentence. We must know imperative sentence in order to solve passive voice. How can we change it? Don't look down upon. Let not the poor be looked down upon. What will be? Let not, do not, let not, don't or do not, let not. Let not the poor be looked down upon. Note it, looked down upon, phrasal verb. If there is difference, the word and meaning, it will be phrasal verb. Look down upon, idiomatic phrase and idiom phrase. So, phrasal verb, look down upon. Whole portion is verb, look down upon. Don't look down upon the poor. What will be? Let not the poor be looked down upon. Let not the poor be looked down upon. Next, 86. Coronavirus seems dangerous. Seems, feel, smell, taste, quasi-passive verb. Quasi-passive verb means semi-passive. Okay, semi-passive, quasi-passive. Coronavirus seems dangerous. Coronavirus is seemed dangerous. Coronavirus is seemed dangerous. Or coronavirus is dangerous when it is seemed. Okay. Next number 87. Wash your hands with hand sanitizer. Wash your hands with hand sanitizer. It is imperative sentence. Wash verb, your hands object, with hand sanitizer prepositional phrase. It is prepositional phrase. So how can we change this active voice into passive voice? Let wash your hands with hand sanitizer. What will be? Let your hands be washed with hand sanitizer. What will be? Let your hands be washed with hand sanitizer. Okay, hand sanitizer means anti germ medicine. Hand sanitizer, anti germ medicine. Okay. Next 88. Prevent coronavirus in a body. Prevent coronavirus. It is also imperative sentence. Verb, there is no notable interrogation, so it is imperative sentence. We must know imperative sentence. If we want to change active into passive, there will be let. So let plus be plus past participle of main verb. Prevent coronavirus in a body. In a body is idiom phrase. In a body is idiom phrase. With wall. In a body with wall. Prevent coronavirus in a body. So what will be? Coronavirus is object here, not in a body. Coronavirus is object here, so object will be subject. When if we pen down let coronavirus be prevented in a body. What will be? Let coronavirus be prevented in a body. Okay, next number. The English speak English. The English speak English. English is language. The English nation. So what will be? English is spoken by the English. English is spoken by the English. Present indefinite tense. Am is are, past participle of main verb. So English is third person singular number. So there will be is. English is spoken by the English. Next number 90. We must invent vaccine against coronavirus. Passive voice. We must is modal verb. If there is must, it will be must be, should be, could be, will be, may be, might be, and past participle of main verb. We must invent vaccine against coronavirus. We must invent vaccine against coronavirus. So what will be? Vaccine against coronavirus must be invented by us. What will be? Vaccine against coronavirus must be invented by us. Or vaccine must be invented against coronavirus by us. It will be better. Vaccine against coronavirus must be invented by us. Okay, invent. There is an important word, invent and discover. Discover means discover and invent. What is the difference? Discover which is already present in the world. If you find out, it is discover. But if there is nothing in the world, but it is newly invented, it is not present in the world, we want to create it. So it is invent. But if we want to create it, it is already existence in the world. For example, Columbus discovered America. America is already in the world, so we can say discover, invent. Discover is which is in the world present, so it is not new thing. It is the existence of this thing is already present in the world, so this make out is discover. Columbus discovered America, not Columbus invented America. Columbus discovered America. Invent, two brothers invented aeroplane. Two brothers invented aeroplane. It is newly created. So we must invent vaccine against coronavirus. Vaccine against coronavirus must be invented by us. Okay. So no more today. Again see you, and you must remember this important versions, and they will be helpful to you. And if you practice at home, I hope that during this coronavirus period, school is closed, class is off, so this video will be helpful to you. I think it. I wish you every success in life. No more today. Thank you all.